Hello everybody. Uh, Good afternoon. My name is Dr. Shahnawaz. I'm from GMC Srinagar, Kashmir. I've come here after passing that scholarship exam online and getting the required 95% of marks. I want to share a little story of mine with you. Before coming over here, I had already been exposed to laparoscopy for the last 5-6 years. I've been assisting my professors, some people from national faculty also. I've assisted almost hundreds of procedures from basic, intermediate, as well as advanced courses. Sometimes I would even assist the national faculty also. But every time the procedure would end, I would be perplexed. Why would this laparoscopy seem to be so difficult to me? Why would a simple procedure be so difficult to a person who has already done the advanced cases and more difficult cases with ease at other times? Why would the same case pose different levels of difficulties for different surgeons? Then, for these explanations, I began asking questions, and every time I would pose a question, I would get the answer like, see, laparoscopy is just hand-eye coordination development. You just need to develop this coordination. The rest, everything will come of its own, out of experience. But I tell you, for the last 5-6 years, I was still confused. Still confused where to put my port. I was thinking if I would get a chance to laparoscopic cholecystectomy, I was told make a port in right hand working port and make it in epigastrium. Then I would ask, where in epigastrium? Epigastrium is not a single point in the body, it's a region. Where exactly in epigastrium should I put my port? And similarly about the camera, I was told that there are just two things you have to do with the camera, just white balance and focus it. Then I read the books, I started searching for answers in the books, and unfortunately won't find a single book where the basics of laparoscopy are tackled very well. Then the next hit was on the internet. I began to watch international videos, some videos of the AirCAD also, but you'll be amazed that they do so many advanced things, yet the basics are not there. Where the ports have been placed, how the ports have been placed, and why the ports have been placed at a particular place, nowhere it's shown there. Then finally, sir, I once hit on one of your videos, and I must tell you that within just 5 minutes of watching the video, I was pretty sure that this is the man. He is the one who has answers to all my questions. In fact, he began answering all the questions which I had in my mind. So I must tell you, I'm really thankful to you for whatever you have taught me. I've seen teachers, I've seen good teachers, I've seen excellent teachers. Now I've seen Dr. Mishra. So I could not find any superlative degree for you. Then, sir, Dr. Chauhan, I would like to thank you too. You have been a great help in the lab. You have been listening to our dumbest queries and actually make sense of them and come up with an answer to them in a very crucible manner. I wish you good luck, and I wish myself that I could keep a smile on my face like you 24/7. And about the staff here is so cooperative, they are so talented, they are so humble, and yet so skillful. I must tell you, they can catch the slightest mistake of yours in lab and they will immediately suggest the corrections. I would like to thank you guys also, Mr. Anand, Mr. Sriram, and the one I know, Choti, and I'm sorry I don't remember all the names. And finally, after doing this course, I have all the doubts behind my back, and I'm looking forward to come here once again for the diploma course. And I wish you all the best, sir, to Dr. Chauhan as well. I would advise rather, every laparoscopic surgeon, at whatever stage of laparoscopy they are, they may be basic, intermediate, or advanced, come over here and see what laparoscopy is all about. So you are doing wonders. Kindly keep doing it. Thank you very much.